Good morning, class.
Maupay na aga, maestra.
How are you today?
Very good, teacher.
I am glad that you are all doing fine. Are you ready to learn something new today?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, but before that, everyone please stand up for our prayer that will led by Arian.
Amen.
Amen. Okay, before you take your seats, kindly arrange your chairs and pick up the sashes under your chairs. And if you're done, you may now be seated. I am going to check your attendance for today. If you heard your name, you say good morning in your language at home. Are you following, class?
Yes.
Okay, Annie,
Maupay na aga.
Rhea,
Mayad nga agahon.
I'm glad that we have no absent today and you are ready to listen and learn something new today. But before that, okay, for our class rules, here is our class rules that we need to follow. Please read, everyone.
Listen carefully. Do not be noisy. Raise your hand before you speak. Respect others.
Okay, class, did you understand our class rules?
Yes, teacher.
I am expecting that you are going to follow our class rules for today. But before we proceed to our new discussion, let's have a short review on our previous discussion. Who among you have remembered our class discussion? Okay, Arian?
It is all about responsibility to ourselves.
Alright, it is our responsibility to ourselves. I have pictures here that you have to identify what I have shown you. The first picture is, what can you see in the picture?
But
The kid is taking a bath. Alright, the second one.
the kid is eating fruits.
Yes, the kid is eating healthy fruits. The number three is,
Toothbrush.
yes, the kid is brushing his teeth. Are you taking care of yourselves just like the pictures I have shown you?
Yes, teacher.
Very good, everyone. Okay, that is why we are going to have an activity for today, and it was called time phrase. Please read our direction.
Teacher will say some phrases that will encounter for almost every day. Identify either woman with its phrases of girls and lalaki nga naman with its boys. Usual phrases.
So you only have to say women. If the statement or the phrases is usually the common phrases of the girls and lalaki nga naman. If the common phrases are usually used by the boys. This is the first phrase.
Woman.
Alright, it is the common phrase of women. The second one,
Lalaki nga naman.
lalaki nga naman. Because it is commonly used by the boys if they are going to circumcise or under circumcision. The third one,
Pabili nga akong sister with wings. Women.
yes, it is for the women. The last one,
Magupit tayong seminar bo. Lalaki nga naman.
yes, very good, everyone. Thank you for your participation. I am glad that you have remembered our discussion. What comes to your mind when you heard about the puberty? Yes, Arian?
It is papunta na po siya ng pagdadalaga.
Yes. And what do you think is our topic for today?
I think it is about how you take care when you're dalaga na.
Alright, that is one of our lesson for today. But before that, please read our objectives, everyone.
Listen during this time?
Very good, everyone. The puberty stage is the stage when your child reaches the adolescent period or their puberty stage when their hormones produce or release that triggers the sign of puberty, their sexual maturity. So what comes on your mind when you hear about the menstruation? Okay, Aryan?
It is nagdadalawin na po.
Alright. So please read the menstruation. Okay, menstruation period is a normal vaginal bleeding that occurs as part of a woman's monthly cycle. Every month, your body prepares for pregnancy. If no pregnancy occurs, the uterus of our womb sheds its lining. The menstrual blood is partly blood and partly tissue from inside the uterus. So it is a woman's monthly cycle. And here are the safety precautions during your menstruation period. Number one, always take a bath because we have to be clean. Number two, clean the other parts of your body such as teeth, nails, ears, underarm, and knees because when you are growing up, your body is having a odor. That is why we have to be clean always. Number three, use and change sanitary napkins every 3 to 4 hours of the day or if necessary because if not, the blood will what?
Go to your pants.
Yes. Number four, use deodorant to avoid body odor. Okay, preventing body odor is very important to us. Number five, wash your face to prevent having pimples and acne problems because we are growing and we are facing acne problems or the pimples. That is why we need to wash our face daily. Number six, change your clothes and underwear before sleeping. That for us to prevent odor also. And then number seven, use hand compress for comfortable feeling. Because some of the girls are having a cramps or diarrhea when they are having their menstrual period. That is why you can use hand compress to prevent or to lessen the aches. Number eight, eat healthy foods. Because if you are having a menstrual period, our body is releasing blood from our body. That is why we need some nutrients to gain more energy again. What about the circumcision? The circumcision is a surgery to remove the skin that covers the tip of the penis, also called the foreskin. It is for the boys. And here are the safety precautions for the boys during their or after their being circumcised. Number one, always wash your hands before touching the incision area because you may have infect the area that is incised or being circumcised when you don't wash your hand before you touch it. Number two, wash the area daily with warm water and pat it dry. Do not use hydrogen peroxide or alcohol, which can slow healing. Just use warm water to wash the incision area and do not use alcohol because it can slow your healing process. Number three, you may cover the area with a thin layer of petroleum jelly such as Vaseline and gauze bandage if it bleeds or rubs against clothing because it is very, it gives us pain when that incision area got rubbed your cloth. You can use loose clothing for your wounds to not rub the clothing. Number four, change the bandage every day and change it more often if the bandage becomes wet, bloody, or dirty. That is why And then for the men, okay. Okay, all your answers are correct. These are the physical or the body physical changes that appears when the child reaches their puberty age. For the women,
Mature breast, pubic hair, broader hips.
for the men,
Adam's apple, facial hair, pubic hair, broader shoulder.
okay, did you understand what are the physical changes that appears when the child reaches their puberty stage?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, do you want another activity?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, we will do another activity and it was called fact or bluff. The direction says that identify the fact when the statement is true and bluff when the statement is wrong. So here is the first statement. Number 1 is
Taking a bath is not good during menstruation or period. Block.
okay, very good. It is bluff because we should always take a bath. Very good. Number 2.
Change the bandage of area being circumcised and keep it clean and dry. Fact.
Very good. It is very important to change the bandage of the area being circumcised for it
To clean and
dry. Number 3.
do not wear loose clothing after circumcision. Block.
Yes, because you may use loose clothing for the area where being circumcised. Number 4.
Use sanitary napkins and change them 3 to 4 hours of the day or if necessary. Fact.
Very good. It is fact. For the last one.
Keep your body clean and safety. Eat healthy foods to maintain healthy body. Facts.
Very good. All your answers are correct. I am glad that you have learned today. That is why I'm going to ask a question for you to assess your learning. Okay, Argan, what is the benefits of knowing safety and precautions during your adolescence period?
It will help us, it will keep us safe and it will give us how to care ourselves and avoid infections.
Yes, thank you. It will prevent us to the infection or sickness that may happen to our body. Okay, to summarize our lesson for today, what is our lesson all about?
It is all about self-responsibilities during adolescence.
Alright, thank you so much everyone for your answers. I am glad that you have learned today. That is why you are going to have a short quiz. Please get your one-part sheet of paper and answer your evaluation. Are you done, class?
Yes, teacher.
Who among you got the perfect scores? Very good. I am glad that many of you got the highest score. For your final activity, we'll have your assignment. You can do it at home for you to ask for help for your siblings or your parents. Your assignment will be an essay contains the importance of knowing the self-responsibility during adolescence and its effect to young adults of minimum of 50 words. Did you understand your assignment?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, if you are done